Coach on TV, yeah! Put him in kid mode, yeah!
That's like the biggest thing with you being so athletic and so aggressive. Like you ignore technique a lot. You know what I'm saying? And when you do that, it always puts you in them situations where you gotta panic. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to panic as a DB, you know what I'm saying? Because you always guessing. So you got a good assumption of some shit that you always guess. You gotta make sure that right now when you got a time, that your technique is what you're working on. Because in the game, it ain't gonna be enough time for you to be over here and first stay low. It's too late, you're tired. You know what I'm saying?
The bus early morning, like mine ain't going. I was in the hallways roaming, but I still got my diploma. I got my diploma. Went to school all 12 years just to get a job selling donuts. Man, that's crazy. I ain't with the minimum wage. I ain't with the modern day slavery.
Focus, the biggest thing. The bullshit like that, like if you put your eyes on the quarterback and not when you rush inside, what you gotta do? Now you gotta be aggressive. You know what I'm saying? And it's already a 7-on-7 game anyway.
To find a way, but you're bound to see brighter days. $1 million can't change me, nigga. Cause hard times made me, nigga. A hard grind saved me, nigga. I got it off the pavement, nigga. I got it off the pavement, my nigga. Young nigga from the bottom of the map. Came up riding with his scrap. Young nigga got a hood on his back. He got an old hood on his back, yeah. They think you be who you are, my nigga. They think you take it this far, my nigga. You like the greatest, you like the greatest to me. You like the greatest, you like the greatest to me. Before what they say, you like the greatest to me. Yeah, you like the greatest, you like the greatest. Once a bitch on stand, one nigga had a man. Shit, bro. Build a nigga brain, got a shit on one for nothing, bro. Yeah, shit, bro. Nigga cut from a different cloth than these niggas, bro. Real shit, bro.
Coach on TV, yeah!